how many credit builder accounts is too many? So there's no official limit, but having 2 to 4 active credit builder accounts is a smart range for most people. Why? Because it helps you strengthen your payment history, and it improves your credit mix, and it builds trust with lenders. But here's the key that you need to remember: only open what you can manage responsibly. Too many accounts with missed or late payments will hurt more than help build your credit score. So it doesn't matter if you have Kickoff, Self, Kime, and Credit Strong. You just simply need to have um, your payments on time, because that is the main point in building your credit. So focus on consistency and not quantity. This is Josh. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Please do not forget to subscribe. I'm going to be seeing you on the next one.